Understanding Dream the Day Away, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or songs. Dream the day away. Understanding such expressions can add depth to your language skills and help you express ideas more vividly. So, let's dive in and discover what this phrase means and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, dream the day away, is a poetic and somewhat idyllic expression used to describe someone spending the day lost in thought or in a daydream, rather than engaging in active or productive tasks. It conveys a sense of leisure and relaxation, where time seems to pass by unnoticed because one is absorbed in thoughts, fantasies, or dreams. This expression can have both positive and negative connotations, depending on the context. On one hand, it can signify a blissful escape from reality or a necessary mental break. On the other, it might suggest procrastination or a lack of focus. To better understand how to use dream the day away in conversation, let's look at a few examples. Positive context. After a hectic week, I decided to dream the day away at the beach, just listening to the waves and feeling the sun on my skin. Negative context. You can't afford to dream the day away when you have so many deadlines approaching. It's time to get focused and start working. Reflective context. Sometimes, I just need to dream the day away to recharge my creative batteries and find inspiration for my writing. These examples show that the phrase can be used to describe different scenarios, from enjoying a peaceful moment of relaxation to risking the loss of valuable time due to inactivity. Understanding expressions like dream the day away enriches your ability to comprehend and appreciate English literature, songs, and movies. This phrase embodies the value of imagination and the importance of taking a break, themes that are common in many cultures around the world. Learning such expressions not only improves your language skills but also gives you insight into the values and thought processes of English-speaking societies. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the phrase, dream the day away. Expressions like these can add color and depth to your conversations and writings in English. Remember, language learning is not just about memorizing grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the beauty and nuance of the language. Happy learning, and don't forget to dream a little, even as you chase your language learning goals.